Sum of n terms of AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a formula. Here a is the first term and d is a common difference and n is the number of terms. So if we take first question, given AP list is 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. So here n is 10 and a1 is 2, a2 is 7, then d is equal to common difference, a2 minus a1 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 10 terms is it, no? Then n is equal to 10 and Sn we have to find. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 in the place of n you have to write 10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. S10 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45 is equal to 5 into 49 is equal to 245. S10 is equal to 245. Second question, given AP list minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on up to 12 terms. A1 is minus 37, A2 is minus 33 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 33 minus of minus 37 is equal to minus 33 plus 37, that is equal to 4, and n is 12. Sn is equal to how much? Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S12 is equal to, in the place of n, 12 by 2 into 2a minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d4 is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 11 into 4, that is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 is equal to 6 into minus 30, that is equal to minus 180. Second question, given AP list is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. Here A1 is 7, A2 is 10 1 by 2 is equal to 21 by 2 and D is A2 minus A1 is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7 is equal to 21 minus 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2 D. Then an is last term, a 84 and n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is equal to 7 by 2 into n minus 1 implies 77 is equal to 7 by 2 into n minus 1 implies 77 into 2 is equal to 7 into n minus 1. 154 by 7 is equal to n minus 1 implies 22 is equal to n minus 1 implies n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is equal to 23. N is equal to 7, n is equal to 84 and n is equal to 23. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into a plus an. S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84 is equal to 23 into 91 into 2 is equal to 2093 by 2. Second question, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on plus 10. A1 is equal to 34, A2 is equal to 32 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 32 minus 34, that is a difference minus 2. An is equal to 10 and n is equal to how much? Formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d implies in the place of an 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 implies 10 minus 34 is equal to minus 2 into n minus 1 implies minus 24 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 12 implies 12 plus 1 implies n is equal to 13. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an implies S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 implies is equal to 13 into 1 for 13 into 44 by 2 is equal to 13 into 22 is equal to 86. Third question, given in an AP a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50, n is equal to how much? Sn is equal to how much? An is equal to formula a plus n minus 1 into d implies 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 implies 50 minus 5 is equal to 3 to n minus 1. 45 by 3 is equal to n minus 1 implies 15 is equal to n minus 1 implies n is equal to 15 plus 1 implies n is equal to 16. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an implies a16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50 is equal to 8 into 55 implies a16 is equal to 440. Second question, given a is equal to 7, d is equal to how much, S13 is equal to how much, n is equal to 13, a13 is equal to a plus 12, d is equal to 35 is given, 7 plus 12d is equal to 35, 12d is equal to 35 minus 7, 12d is equal to 28 and d is equal to 28 by 12, that is equal to 7 by 3. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an is equal to s13 is equal to 13 by 20, 7 plus 35 that is equal to 13 into 42 by 2 is equal to 13 into 21 is equal to 73. Third question, given a12 is equal to 37, d is equal to 3, a is equal to how much, s12 is equal to how much, n is equal to 12, a12 is equal to a plus 11, d is equal to 37 implies a plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37 implies a plus 33 is equal to 37. A 37 minus 33 is equal to a is equal to 4, s12 is equal to n by 20 a plus a12 is equal to 12 into 12 by 24 plus 37 is equal to 6 into 41 implies s12 is equal to 246. Fourth question, given s10 is equal to 125, d is equal to how much, a is 10 is equal to how much, n is equal to 10, a3 is equal to a plus 2, d is equal to 15. Consider that as the equation 1. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d implies s10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. Taking 5 common, 5 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 implies 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 by 5, that is equal to 25 implies 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Consider that as the equation 1, equation 2 sorry. Now equation 2 minus 2 into equation 1, so that implies 2a plus 9d minus 2 into a plus 2d is equal to 25 minus 15 implies 2a plus 9d minus 2a minus 4d is equal to 10. 2a to cancel, 9d minus 4d is equal to 10 implies 5d is equal to 10 implies d is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, d is equal to 2. Now substitute d in equation 2. So what is that equation? 2a plus 9d is equal to 25 implies 2a plus 9 into 2 is equal to 25 implies 2a plus 18 is equal to 25 implies 2a is equal to 25 minus 18 implies a is equal to 7 by 2, that is the a value. Then a10 is equal to a plus 9d is equal to a is 7 by 2 plus 9 into 2 is equal to 7 by 2 plus 18, that is equal to 7 plus 36 by 2 implies a10 is equal to 43 by 2. That is your answer. Next, fifth question students, it is given a is given 2 and d is 8, Sn is equal to 90, n what is n and an. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn value is 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 implies cross multiply 180 is equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8 implies 180 is equal to n into 8n minus 4 implies 180 is equal to 4n into 2n minus 1 implies 180 by 4 is equal to n into 2n minus 1 implies 45 is equal to 2n square minus n implies 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0 implies 2n into n minus 5 plus n into 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0 implies n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. N minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2n plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 5 or n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Negative values are neglected. Therefore an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8, 2 plus 32, that is equal to 34, and that is your answer. Next, sixth question, it is given an is equal to 4 and d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, then n is equal to how much? We have to find the n value and a value. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to an is 4 implies a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4 implies a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2 implies a plus 2n is equal to 6. Now only a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Substitute a in a value in Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is equal to n by 2 into a is 6 minus 2n plus an is 4 is equal to n by 2 into 10 minus 2n. 6 plus 4 is 10, that is n by 2 into 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14. Sn is given minus 14, so cross multiply. If you take, it is minus 28. 10 n minus 2n square is implies 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. Implies if we take 2 common, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Then n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Implies factorize n square minus 7n plus 5n 2n minus 14, that is equal to 0. Implies n common, n minus 7 plus 2 common, n minus 7, that is equal to 0. n minus 7 common into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n minus 7 is equal to 0 or n plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. So neglecting negative values, substitute n is equal to 7 in a. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. That implies a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, that is equal to 6 minus 14. Implies a is equal to minus 8. That is our answer. Okay na students.